we've got a bunch of guys back on defense, but guys have been in this package before. Veteran front seven. Still got to shore up some things in the secondary with our safety spot. Ed Roll came in, back from junior college there in May. And we got some new additions with some young guys, and Alex Duncan's doing a nice job at safety. Just got to get all the pieces. A.J. McDonald did a good job in the spring. We had a really good spring, a lot of carryover. We had a lot of starters out from last year, kind of rehabbing some surgeries that we had. So we were able to get some guys in that 2s and 3s, teams that were able to get a lot of reps. So I think we'll be deeper. I like what we're doing. These guys are familiar with our package now and got a lot of good leadership. Yeah, we should get better. I mean, that's the goal. Obviously, our goal is to lead the conference in scoring defense. That's the biggest thing. That's what we look at the most: scoring defense and keeping people out of the end zone. If people move the ball, got to have a good red zone defense. For the most part, we did a good job with that last year. We've got to eliminate big plays. There were a lot of games where we might have 6, 7, 8 big plays, and you cut those out of the equation. We played really good, for 90% of the game, but big plays can kill you and beat you. So we got to eliminate that. Yeah, I mean, it all starts up front with our big guys. Ogunjobi, he's getting a lot of preseason press. I think he'll live up to the hype. In this defense, if you got a really good nose guard, then you could be really salty, especially against the run. That's what we expect. We want to stop the run. Brandon Banks, another senior high motor guy, love his blue collar work ethic. He's going to go to the whistle and through the whistle. Zach Duncan, we moved around a little bit 2 springs ago and ended up at defensive end. Had a really good redshirt freshman year. Hopefully he doesn't have the sophomore blues. Continues to advance, but a lot of depth in behind. There's a lot of guys that we could mention. You don't really want to solo anybody out. Inside, you got 2 good linebackers that played a bunch last year with Cook and Carrington King. Cook led the team in tackles, missed a couple games and still did that. So anxious to get him back in the mix with us. And then, really at the outside linebacker, Daquan Lucas. Jeff Gimmel would be a good 1-2 punch. I expect big things out of Lucas, and I'm excited to see what Jeff Gimmel brings to us. You had a really good spring game. And at Bandit, you got Jordan Starnes, who was very solid for us last year, and Tyreek Harris is now in the mix. So, I think we're going to be solid in the front 7, and really in the secondary, we got T-Dub, Terrence Winchester back at the field corner, Anthony Covington, and some other guys at that boundary corner that are battling. And at safety, like I mentioned before, with Ed Roll, Alex Duncan, A.J. McDonald, Markevis Davis. There's a mix of, 5, 6 guys that could be major factors for us, and anxious to see them progress this August.